2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.